Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 21, and we're diving into the world of context managers. In this video, we'll cover using the with statement, creating custom context managers, and managing resources effectively. Ready to enhance your Python skills? Let's get started. Let's start with the with statement. The with statement simplifies exception handling by encapsulating common preparation and cleanup tasks in so-called context managers. Here's a basic example of using the with statement to open a file. In this example, the with statement ensures that the file is properly closed after its sweet finishes, even if an exception is raised. This makes your code cleaner and more readable. Next, let's talk about creating custom context managers. You can create a custom context manager by defining a class with __enter__ and __exit__ methods, or by using the context_lib module. Here's an example of a custom context manager using a class. In this example, the enter method is called when the execution enters the context of the with statement, and the exit method is called when the execution leaves the context. The context manager decorator turns a generator function into a context manager, making it easier to write and understand. Finally, let's talk about managing resources effectively. Context managers are great for managing resources such as files, network connections, and locks. Here's an example of using a context manager to manage a database connection. In this example, the open_database context manager ensures that the database connection is properly committed and closed, even if an exception is raised. This helps prevent resource leaks and ensures that your resources are managed efficiently. And there you have it, folks, an in-depth look at context managers in Python. You've learned how to use the with statement, create custom context managers, and manage resources effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 22. Keep coding!